Hey guys, Nefly here, and today I wanted to do a quick little overview of a little game that I made trying to kind of better understand making grids and click detection, X and Y, things like that. And basically, just a quick overview of what it does is I have a rectangle drawn on the screen where I put basically a grid, which is just a bunch of lines put across the X and Y. And when you click, it gives you your mouse's positions and it rounds it so that it goes and places a square in between the lines. And then I also added a little quote-unquote bot that you try and select, but it's completely random, so it's kind of hard to find. But so basically how this whole thing works is drawing out the graph. I just have a simple little rectangle for the frame, and then setting up the grid, which is just two for loops, one for the X position, one for the Y. And then the player is kind of self-explanatory. It gets the X and Y of the mouse, but how it gets the X and Y of the mouse, wrong thing. So the mouse listener, basically it gets the pointer position, it rounds it to the nearest 25 because they're 25th, I guess. I don't know what you call it specifically, but that way it puts it in the correct position. Then because it's on a JFrame, I think that it goes from bottom right, or it's not specifically how you set up a JPanel's graphics, so you need to subtract the difference so that it puts it in the right X and Y, or else you'll get some weird outputs. And then to make sure it stays on the graph, if you click further than 675X or 475Y, it just sets it to the max. And then it checks for the bot's position, which again is just kind of extra. It just adds the bot, and then adds your number of clicks. Then it saves the location of the bot, repaints the board. So there you go. And the only other thing about this is the fact that you can see the previous X and Y's of the bot, try and find a pattern if you want to really try and click the bot, because I've tried for at least 20 minutes now and I still can't get it. It's just ridiculous how random it is.